Hello, hello, hello. Welcome everybody to our Shaklee Savvy Saving Show with Carla and Daphne. We're so glad you're here.
I am happy to be here. Can you believe that it is already a new month, Carla? We're in September.
It's
This is
going.
craziness. It just these months keep flying by. I would love to ask our Smart Choices community a quick question about September. I want to know what you're looking forward to in September. There seems to be some really fun things happening in my life, and I love this time of year. I love how new months kind of reset our focus and our activities. And September is particularly an interesting time of year because in my world, busy mom world, it's back to school and kind of getting in that fall rhythm. So if you are listening live or you are listening to the replay, give us a hashtag replay, but also let us know, what are you looking forward to in September? I want to hear some good stuff. So Carla, I think I don't know if you just froze or I froze, but we
No,
are.
it's me. I'm sitting here trying to get this into our Smart Choices community.
Oh, okay. I thought maybe I froze every once in a
I'm like going, how do I do this? I've got
while.
to take the privacy
So, so
setting.
while Carla talks about, or while Carla wrestles through our IT and support and all of that jazz, I'm just going to launch in and start talking about what's happening in September. So this is the Savvy Saving Show with Carla and Daphne. And what we do every Wednesday at around 11 is share with everyone how to get the best bang for your buck. And so we're going to talk about that in this quick conversation. We're going to talk about what's coming up in our Smart Choices community in the month of September. And we've got some really good stuff coming. We've been talking a little bit about it over the last few weeks, but it's all coming together, right, Carla?
Yes.
So
Yes. Yes.
why don't we talk? I'm going to start talking about what's kicking off next week, and then we can talk about the promotion. So next week is one of my favorite weeks of the year. It kicks off on Monday, September 9th. And in our Smart Choices community, we are going to be talking about a subject that I'm very passionate about, which is rebooting, re-kickstarting your wellness routine. And now your wellness routine can look like a variety of different things. The things that we will be talking about are the things that we talk about a lot in our Smart Choices community, which is how to nourish your body, how to get better sleep, how to focus on hydration, like your core daily habits. So we're going to be focusing on that next week. We're going to be talking about supplements and how to fuel appropriately and what does that look like. And we're also going to be hosting a cleanse, a 7-day whole foods cleanse. I'm talking so fast, Carla, that I'm jumbling my words this morning. I'm so excited. So, what does that mean? But yes, there's the cleanse kit, 7-day healthy cleanse. Things to know about next week. Everyone is welcome to participate. We have essentially 3 ways you can participate. You can just follow along with the posts and start having an inner conversation with yourself about your wellness habits, and you can engage with the posts and keep that conversation going in our Smart Choices community, which is what we love.
I
Um,
want to add to that.
yep.
And part of that, for those of you just joining along, is we will have a habit tracker, which we will post. So if that motivates you, you can also print a habit tracker. And what we always tell people is we love you where you are. So start with 1 or 2 habits. You don't have to change the whole world if of all your habits in one week. We do these every month. So pick 1 or 2 that you really want to go all in on and focus on. Or if you work well in doing it all at once, do it all at once. So that's one thing you're going to love about this community is that we want you to make small, sustainable changes, things that are going to last a lifetime. And we all fall off and off the wagon, so to speak, and it's okay. So that's why we do a reset. We're just resetting those habits. So yeah, so 1, just follow along, right?
Yep.
And participate as much or little as you want. What's the second way, Daphne, to participate?
So, option 2, in my humble opinion, is to get one of the kits that we offer, which we are going to talk in a minute about our immunity bundle that we're offering. But
Mhm.
we also have a kit called the Ready Set Wellness Kit.
Mhm.
And all of these are tools in your wellness journey. And so we talk a lot about starting our days with a protein shake, giving yourself that 20 grams of clean, pure protein. That is part of our kits. We're talking about supplements and vitamins that are personalized to you and what you need and what your health goals are. And so option two is don't just follow along, but follow along and nourish your body at the same time. And then I'm going to say option three, Carla, and then let's dive a little bit more into options two and three. Option
Okay.
three is if you really are looking to like reset your wellness routine and really nourish your body, you incorporate the cleanse. And that really is that 7-day healthy cleanse is where the magic happens. If you are just ready to make a shift and ready to take care of yourself, you do the 7-day cleanse and you kick off on Monday with us. Now, I just have to do my little spiel about cleanses because there are a lot of terrible cleanses on the market that focus on deprivation and making you feel lousy and not nourishing your body appropriately. That is not what our 7-day whole foods cleanse is. We call it our 7-day whole foods cleanse because we actually want you to eat and we want you to eat things that nourish your body. And so what Carla is showing is the little overview, the little guidebook. And notice it is little and it comes in every kit that we offer and it gives you how to do it. But essentially, 7 days, you're nourishing your body with fruits and vegetables, you're giving your digestive system a rest, and you are nourishing and filling in the nutrient gaps. Along with us. And we do it side by side with you so that you know what to expect and how to do it. And we give you the recipes, we give you everything you need to be successful. So let me pause there because I just did a lot of talking.
I want to add, because I get this question a lot. And after last week's show, I got this question. So we're eating fruits and vegetables, but a lot of people think that's just chopped up in a Ziploc bag and you're just grazing all day. No, no, no. We want you to eat. We want you to be nourished. We want you to feel full. And you can have stir fries. You can make salads. You can have soups. You're just going to be avoiding for the week, just 1 week, because we're giving the digestive system a rest, foods that are hard to digest. So we're going to avoid dairy, nuts, grains, those types of foods, and meat proteins. So that's why. Another question a lot of people ask, especially if you're already using Shaklee products, is what about my shake? Can I keep using my shake? So that's an either or. It just depends on your goals. Talk with your Shaklee ambassador and we will personalize and customize the cleanse for you because there are adaptations that can be made based on your lifestyle, your goals. So, but don't let that scare you. And then there's another piece we didn't talk about that comes with this box because you're like, what's in the box? There's no fruits and vegetables in there. No, you got to go buy those yourself. But you get supplements that aid your body's natural cleanse processes. Like there's a supplement here that is going to help cleanse your liver because of the way you're going to be eating, you're going to be also releasing a lot of toxins, and your body's going to do better if it has the supplements to help flush out those things. Otherwise, you might feel really, really bad. So there's also like a probiotic in here, and then there's some other supplements that really aid in what I just described in helping you to remove inflammation and all those good things. And no, you will not be in the bathroom all day long because that's a big question a lot of people ask us. So yeah, is there anything else you want to add on the cleanse, Daphne?
No, so I think well, I guess I said no and then I started talking. So yes, I guess I do have something to add. I think that we or maybe I make things more complicated than they need to be. So we just gave you 3 choices on how you can participate next week. And the simplest way to make that happen is to just talk with your favorite Shaklee person if you want to, if you're interested in one of the kits or you want to explore the 7-day healthy cleanse. So let's talk a little bit, Carla, about that, what those kits are. So this month, Shaklee just announced an immunity kit, which I'm so excited about because at this time of year, I am on red alert for supporting my daughter's immune system as she goes back to school and is surrounded by a bazillion germs and then brings them home to my house. So can we talk a little bit about the immunity bundle?
Yes. So what comes in the immunity bundle? Our foundational fuel for the day, which is our life shake. And it comes in different flavors and formulas and whatnot. But it's going to give you 20 grams of protein to start your day, just the powder with water. Okay. Then you start adding other things, you're going to get more protein. Foundation for the day. And there's a way to use that. If you're not a shake fan, there's other things that you can do with it, like make pancakes and muffins and all kinds of things. And we'll share those recipes with you. The second thing that comes in that is this triple defense boost. Y'all, this thing is so amazing. It actually, I have to just read. It has 8 amazing supplements to support an immune system. Your vitamin C, D, zinc, and then it's got a bunch of herbs and your elderberry, your echinacea, quercetin. But most importantly, all of Shaklee products are clinically proven. And so this was clinically proven to boost natural killer cell activity by 3 times. Think about that. 3 times. And to increase your other critical immune cells by 5.8 times. So it's clinically proven to improve your immune system, to support it. So highly, highly recommend. And it's just comes in these little sticks that travel so well, or you can throw in your purse and just, when we're out and about, add it to your drink, your water, whatever. It's berry flavored. Tastes like Kool-Aid. It's so good. The next product that comes in this bundle is Nutrifuron. Now, when this came out in, I want to say 2004 or 5, I mean, it's been a while. We used to talk about this a lot more than we do today, but I was there and I heard the full story. And I'm just going to give you a brief story. So Nutrifuron boosts your natural interferons in your body. So the creator, Dr. Kojima, was one of the people who discovered interferon in the body back, I don't know, 50, 60 years ago. And he and his partner, they developed the drug interferon that's used for cancer treatments and things like that. He said, after he created that, I want to find a natural way to support healthy people in creating their interferons to work naturally. So this is the other side. There's, medicine you need for, serious things like that. And this is a nutritional supplement just to help create a healthier immune system. So it is a breakthrough, and we have the patents on it, and nobody else can sell this in the world. So it's the only place you can get it, created by the guy who actually discovered interferon. It's crazy. It's amazing. So that's the bundle. So how much is it all? The regular value of the bundle is $195, but with the code that we'll give you, which is Immunity 15, you can get this for $150. And that offer is good till the end of the month, but don't wait, because we want to be fueling our body with good nutrition going into the months where a lot of people get sick. We want to make sure we're giving our body every fighting chance to be healthy. Anything else you want to add to that?
I would just plug our next promo, which is the free membership. And so as you're thinking about your participation in our Reset Your Wellness Routine, Reboot Your Wellness Routine next week, if you have some of these products already in your toolkit, but don't have the cleanse or don't have the life shake, we have a free membership offer that's happening right now in the month of September, which means you get a free Shaklee membership with any purchase. And there's no, the minimum purchase is 1 item, but there's no qualifiers on that. So what does that mean? That means that you get a $19.95, $20 value for free on any order. And it's just a great incentive. It's a great promo for you to take advantage of, because with that free membership, you're getting 15% off of that order and all future orders. It opens the door to a lot of other additional information from Shaklee, additional promo codes, et cetera, et cetera. It opens the door to you getting a birthday gift. And so there are all of these things that get unlocked with a Shaklee membership. And I always have to make sure people understand a Shaklee membership is once per lifetime. This is not an annual commitment that you're making. You are not committing to any sort of monthly order requirements or any shenanigans like that. It's just a $19.95 value as creating a Shaklee loyalty benefit. So is
Very
that
good.
helpful, Carla? Yeah.
Yep, that's exactly it. I do want to add, we did skip something, and that is there is a whole list of immunity products on sale individually at 15% off with that code immunity15. And I want to highlight a few of those with you. Sustained release vitamin C. This releases vitamin C over the hours, 1 hour. Somebody's trying to come in my house, so I'm getting distracted. Okay, a chewable vitamin C and zinc, vitamin D, the Nutrifuron, and the triple defense boost. All of these are 15% off individually. So they'll just be, if you love that Nutrifuron, you want to get a hold of that, you can just order that, get the free membership. And so finally, I am going to have to answer the door, Daphne. They're not going to stop knocking.
No problem. I got it. So, number one, drop below what your the favorite thing that you're looking forward to in September, because we would love to hear. Number two, let us know if you are watching the replay by just adding in hashtag replay. Number three, if you have questions about how to get the best bang for your buck this month, just reach out to your favorite Shaklee person or drop a comment below and we will follow up with you directly. And number four, no matter where you are in your wellness journey, you are invited to our Reset Your Wellness Routine next week. We want you there. We want to help us support and encourage you wherever you are, as Carla highlighted. So just comment below and let us know that you're ready to reset with us so that we can follow along on your journey and support you.
Thank you.
Sound
So
good?
knock on the door, they're working out front. So if you've been following my saga, all the banging and all that good stuff. There was one more offer. If you've been thinking about doing what we do, becoming a Shaklee ambassador, we also have an amazing promo on that as well, where you can join for half the price. So just reach out to us and let us know. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have an amazing day. Be sure to like and share and comment on the video because that helps us get it out to more people.